In the field of dentistry, a gingival mask is the name given to a gum protector made of silicone. In the video, you see the gingival mask as it's used, in this case, during a bleaching process. You can see how the gums are protected with a gingival mask prior to the bleaching. For this purpose, a special rubber compound is carefully applied and then hardened. Many dental materials are harmful to body tissues, such as the gums, for example. Through the use of barriers, the tissues can avoid being injured. Unfortunately, these types of aids, such as the gingival mask or a cofferdam, are rarely used due to cost and time constraints. Instead, the side effects of dental chemicals are simply accepted as part of treatment. After treatment, the mask is simply removed. Your gums are less irritated because of the protection offered by the gingival mask. You can find out more in the videos entitled Cofferdam and Optrogate.